Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix error 0x80004005 unspecified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing this type of error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first you have to open the command prompt. Just click on the search, then type here cmd. Then right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to type this command SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. After completion of that, then copy this second command, or you can type this second command. Then hit enter. After completion of this, just close this window. You just need to wait to complete this process. After that, you need to do the third method, that is just press Windows plus R key and type here percent local app data percent. In this you will see this temporary folder. Open this and you have to select all this by pressing Ctrl A, right click on that, then click on delete. Just check mark this and click on continue. If you are seeing this above here, select this, then click on skip. Again you have to select, then click on skip. After that, just close this window and you need to check whether this process has been completed. After completion of this process, just restart your PC. That's it guys. So this way you can fix error code 0x80004005 unspecified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.